Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on your YouTube channel's dashboard. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So here you can see that I already have opened the Google Chrome browser and typed on the address bar studio.youtube.com, and this is the dashboard of my channel. This is one of my channels, and now I'm going to change the currency. Here you can see that the currency is in dollar, and now I'm going to change it to another currency, for example BDT, Bangladeshi Taka. So to do that, normally I'm clicking on the settings option, and then here you will get an option that that is including USDT, US dollar. Click on it, and now I'm gonna scrolling up and selecting this BDT Bangladeshi Taka and clicking on this save. And now if you look over here you can see that the currency has been changed into Bangladeshi Taka. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to change the currency on YouTube dashboard. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.